After surgery, you should be relatively comfortable. The surgery is painless, and when you wake up numb, which provides about 5 to 6 hours where you feel absolutely no discomfort whatsoever. Some people even feel like they could run a marathon at that point. I wouldn't recommend it. What you want to do is you want to get home, get comfortable, get any medications that you need, fill your prescription, and get ready to rest and relax, especially the first day. The first day you're mostly doing walking just from the bed to the bathroom. Or you're eating some light food, drinking lots of water and hydrating, as well as taking your medications. The next day, we want you out of bed. You may want to stay mostly indoors, especially in sunny California where it's pretty hot. That way you don't have dehydration the next day. The day after that, that's when you can start walking around outside. And really, you want to walk at a pace that's comfortable for you. There's no restrictions in terms of walking, and even stairs are fine. Now, in terms of food, keep it light, at least for a day or two. If there's still a little anesthesia in your system, you may still feel like you have a light stomach, and therefore, eating light will help with that. I would also recommend that before and after you walk, drink some water. Put the bottle of water by your bedside. That way, you ensure you're hydrated when you get up. If you feel the urge to cough or sneeze, use your hand or a pillow. Put some gentle pressure over the area of surgery. This is going to be a lot more comfortable. Some people afterwards do get some constipation as well. It could be related to a combination of the medications or the surgery itself. So you could start fruits, fiber, vegetables, prune juice, or stool softeners the day of your surgery, and that will help relieve some of those symptoms. In terms of showering, we do like to keep the bandage dry, if possible. So we recommend showering a couple of days after surgery, an average about 5 days. You can still sponge bath. That way you could keep yourself clean, but you're keeping the area of surgery itself nice and dry. Now in terms of driving, usually you want to wait a couple days to drive just because you still may be using pain medications. Our general recommendations are that you wait around 2 to 3 days before you really start driving, but you can drive sooner as long as you're not on any heavy prescription, meaning that if you're just on ibuprofen and ice, which you should be after a couple days, it's totally fine to drive. Otherwise, what we do expect is that after the first couple days, which are the most sore, no matter which technique is used, you should be relatively comfortable with pain relieved with just ice and ibuprofen.